Error correction set 5. Your success in the IAS examinations depends not only on what papers you have selected but on how you have written them. Here not only follows but also. So this is the wrong use. It should be but also on how you have written them. Heavy rain prevented us to go to the cinema. Prevent is followed by from. It is the wrong use. So the right use is heavy rain prevented us from going to the cinema. If majority of the individuals in a state prosper, the state itself would prosper. Here this model is wrongly used. When a sentence starts with if clause and it follows simple present tense, then the modal will be will. So this is the wrong use. If motorists do not observe the traffic regulations, they will be stopped, ticketed and have to pay a fine. Look at this sentence. They will be stopped. This is passive sentence. Ticketed. And this is the wrong use here. It also should be in passive, but it is in active. So the correct use is they will be stopped, ticketed and fined. So this is the answer. He asked, supposing if he fails, what he would do. Here, supposing and if both have same meaning. We don't need to use supposing. The correct use is he asked if he fails what he would do. We had a lot of difficulty to find the house. After difficulty, to will not be used. Difficulty in. So the right answer is we had a lot of difficulty in finding the house. Patience as well as perseverance are necessary for success. When two subjects are joined with as well as, then singular verb is used. So the correct use is. The passerby told us where was the marriage hall and even led us to it. This sentence is in assertive. It is not an interrogative sentence. So, verb will come after the subject. So, the correct use is where the marriage hall was. The increase in consumption is directly proportional to the increase in income. The increase in consumption is directly proportional to the increase in income. This sentence has no error. In Singapore, my brother-in-law with his wife were present at the function. My brother-in-law and his wife. These two nouns are joined by with. So, singular verb will be used. So, was is the right use.